evening, eClinicalites. A warm welcome to everyone in the room. Today is special for all of us. On this day, our founders, Mr. Girish Navani, Mr. Mahesh Navani, Dr. Raj Dharampuria, Mr. Samir Bhatt, and Mr. Satya Chandru laid the foundation to one of the most successful cloud based EHR companies in the world. Yes, we are here today to thank and celebrate 22 years of excellence. Being successful is more of a journey and not a destination. This has been our guiding force and a very impetus for the past 22 years that helped fructify our beloved founder, Mr. Girish Kumar Navani's vision. He envisioned an organic team and encouraged his employees to be curious, creative, and inventive. And it is this faith that made us who we are today as an organization. Invoking his light and blessings, I welcome each one of you to the 22nd Founders Day celebrations. This year, it's even more special owing to the fact that all three India locations have come together virtually to celebrate the spirit of togetherness. This only goes to show how well knit we are as an organization, and it is this unity quotient that makes us successful. We officially inaugurate the special evening with the keynote by Mr. Amar Krishna, Mr. Om Patel, Mr. Hitesh Thakkar, Mr. Sapan Parikh, and Mr. Akasha. Over to you, directors.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my eClinical Works family members. Congratulations for completing 22 glorious years in operations. Today is that day when we look at the past and see what we've done as an organization. In the last 2 decades, not only have you been successful as an organization, but we've added immense value to millions of lives across the world and especially in the United States. It all started with 5 families coming together and starting ECW. Today, that family of 5 is a family of 4,800 family members across the world. Values is an important ingredient for any organization. And likewise, for eClinical Works, being employee-centric, keeping customers first, being innovative, having high levels of integrity, and having fun at our workplace have been our core values in the last 22 years. We strongly believe that one happy employee is equal to many happy customers. And integrity is a value that runs thick in our blood. And like Girish always says, celebrating a milestone, celebrating each other's success is as important as reaching the destination. I, like a lot of you guys, believe that eClinical Works is one of the most special and unique organizations in this world. And to make this statement official, we are entering the Great Places to Work contest. As part of this contest, an organization is assessed on multiple values through a survey filled by their employees. So what are we waiting for? Go fill that survey and tell the world how special an organization we are. Good luck with the survey and enjoy the anniversary.
Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Thakkar. Firstly, I would like to wish everyone a healthy, wealthy and a prosperous life on the occasion of ECW's 22nd Foundation Day. I joined eClinical Works in 2007 and I've seen the company grow in 3 different locations in Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Bangalore. We have employees from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Gujarat and Rajasthan to Assam. We are an equal opportunity organization and do not discriminate between race, color, religion, creed, gender, age, marital status or any other status. Every festival, whether it is a state festival or a religious festival, is celebrated with equal enthusiasm. The culture of the organization prohibits anyone from making discriminatory, defamatory remarks against the company, their colleagues, supervisors, clients and our competition. Our culture speaks about inclusion and to embrace diversity. I am therefore very proud to be part of ECW family. Thank you.
Hi, I'm happy to address you all virtually on the occasion of the Foundation Day of eClinical Works. Yet, no ranking or statistics can reflect the true spirit that eClinical Works expresses. The true testament to eClinical success remains the people that engage with our organization. You all individual and their family gathered here are our strength. For us, you are the one who have made the organization and who continue to carry us forward. So at the end of 22 years, I am humbled as we gather to celebrate the achievement that have only been possible because of you. We were 30 at Atlantis location when we started. Now we are 1200 plus. Time so interesting that you will not even have to make the effort to choose what our agenda should be. For our agenda, it will select itself without too much effort on our part. All that is left for us to do is ensure that we as an organization push our boundaries, bring new ideas, and provide platform that nurtures and prepare new generation of thinkers. With our persistent support, we promise you consistent service, sustained success, heightened achievement in the world of IT, and cutting edge technologies development. Thank you, dear eClinicalWorks employees. You are our strength. Thank you, dear Women's Card. You are women in tech. Thank you, esteemed customer.
On the occasion of eClinicalWorks' Foundation Day, first of all, I would like to thank all the employees for serving us during these difficult times. And we would also like to thank their families for their support. eClinicalWorks has done really well on the business side, particularly in the USA, and will continue to do so. The company will focus on improving its digital footprint in the Indian hospital market by implementing EMR, HMIS, and the Helo India app. We will continue to improve our presence by keeping our customers happy and, most importantly, our employees. Finally, the foundation of ECW is solid in its values and vision, and we shall continue to stay committed and focused. Thank you, everyone.
Hi everyone, this is Sapan Parikh from eClinicalWorks. I'm myself a developer and I work closely with lots of other developers. Today I wanted to take a moment to talk about what kind of impact eClinicalWorks has made on every one of the team members that work in eClinicalWorks. While we may think in the last 15 years or so, our product has grown, our product line has grown, I think we also want to highlight the fact that our knowledge has grown, our careers have grown. Not only that, we have so many learning opportunities that we have made available to all our employees. In past year alone, on our online education portal, we were able to consume 12,000 plus hours of content. This 12,000 plus hours of content was distributed among more than 1,800 different kinds of courses. Today on Pluralsight, we have 673 active users who are continuously learning something. As everyone learns and as their careers grow, I think the next thing that happens is we make huge impact. We make huge impact in how we develop software. This year was a year of pandemic. So in this year, a lot of people could not innovate, but as a company, eClinicalWorks, we have been able to help the population by innovating new. Not only in India and US as well, we were able to launch a telemedicine product which brought providers and patients closer. People were able to call their doctors and get the help that they needed. When the knowledge grows, when the company grows, when the product grows, there's something else that grows as well, which is our own career. And I think I want to close this with a thought or with a message that in next 15 days or so, by the end of financial year, by 1st April 2021, we'll be seeing a lot of different tech-led promotions happening. We'll be finding people who has gotten to a certain level, and we'll be making senior software developers. We'll be promoting people to software managers and team leads. That being said, all the best and thanks a lot. It's been an honor working with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, directors, for that beautiful and inspirational address. Certainly means a lot to us. There's this popular quote which says, "Each happiness of yesterday is a memory for tomorrow." And we now have created that memory repository, if I may say so, where all the eClinicalites have access to read through the comments and experiences shared by our colleagues from across locations. Yes, I'm talking about our very own scrapbook, which will go live shortly. We'll be rolling out an email with the scrapbook link soon after this meeting. I request everyone to take some time out and read through the experiences shared. I'm sure you all will have a good read. Next up, we have a beautifully orchestrated skit on life at eClinical Works by our beloved colleagues. Can't really wait to see what they've got in store for us.
Hi Kiran.
Hi! Hi everyone!
कैसे हैं?
I'm good, how are you?
मस्त.
Where are others? Hi Pankaj!
Hello Kiran, how are you?
Good,
Hi
good.
Siraj, hi Kiran. Hi, hello everyone. कैसे हैं सब
Hello.
लोग?
All good. Where's Rahul? He's still
बस
connecting.
बढ़िया.
Hi
How's
Rahul!
doing everything? Hi, hello everyone.
Hi.
Hey, कैसा है राहुल? Yes, I'm fine. तू कैसा है भाई? मस्त, सब ठीक ठाक. कैसा चल रहा है लॉकडाउन पे? Enjoying? ECW ने घर में साइलेंट आप अभी भी ECW में ही है ना? हाँ वही अपना वर्क फ्रॉम होम चालू है. अच्छा है. सही है. सहराज ECW का सही यूज कर रहा है नहीं? उसका जैकेट पहन के. अब का अभी उसको 4-5 साल हो गए जैकेट लेके.
That's good.
अरे यार ECW के भी क्या दिन थे. मिसिंग ECW. ECW वॉज माई फर्स्ट कंपनी. वो भी नहीं होता अगर मेरा इंटरव्यू ओवेस ने नहीं लिया होता.
क्यों यार, ऐसा क्या हुआ था?
यस यस प्लीज हैव अ सीट किरण. हाउ आर यू किरण? सो आर यू प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू?
यस.
Good. So let's start with your technical interview.
ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम गरम. ओ बेटा जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम गरम. ओ बेटा जी.
So Kiran, our company is a US-based company, so there will be client interactions on a daily basis. And talking about your interview, you have a good hand on technical knowledge, but will you be able to cope up with the communication skill?
I think I did my best, sir, and I will try to do my best. Once I join this organization, I can surely be a good asset for this company.
So Kiran, talking about your interview was really great, and I think you have a really upper hand on your technical knowledge. आपका technical knowledge बहुत ही अच्छा है. But at the same time, we cannot deny the fact that there is a bit of a lack of confidence in your communication skills. But उसकी ऐसी चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because everyone goes from this phase, and जो भी होगा वो अच्छे से हो जाएगा आगे जाके. And we will be there for you, and I'll be obviously there with you. आप जब भी फ्लोर पे रहेंगे, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस या फिर किसी भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत होगी, हम आपके साथ रहेंगे, स्पेशली मी और बाकी के जो आपके टीम मेंबर्स होंगे. एंड बाकी कुछ नहीं, सब अच्छे से हो गया. एंड वेलकम टू द कंपनी.
थैंक यू सर. सो गाइज, ऐसा था मेरा इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस. थैंक्स अ टन फॉर हिम.
भाई, you are lucky at that time, as eClinical works as TL like him, who keep motivating others and help others to become better at their skills.
Yes, you were right. Like, there is no other company like ECW, and most importantly, friends and colleagues, which I had there, like you guys, like Pankaj, Sairaj, Rahul, and Kiran. And I still remember the day when.
Hello. Yes, this is Kiran. And who's this? Oh yeah. I had an appointment in 6, but is it possible to reschedule, because I don't think I can reach by 6.
Yes,
I'm already loaded with a lot of No. Okay then I'll let you know. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Hey Kiran, all okay?
No, actually, I have this head injury and I have appointment at 6, but I don't think I can reach because it's already 5:30.
So,
If you have an appointment, then you can leave. We will manage.
yeah, I mean, you can assign a task to us and we'll take care of it.
But are you sure? Because you already are assigned a lot of work itself, so...
That's okay. We
No,
will
that's
manage
okay, yeah, you
for
can-
one day.
Yeah, that's okay. You can, go ahead with your appointment and we'll manage. We'll take care of that.
Are you really sure about
Sure, definitely.
That's okay. That's completely fine.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank
That's
you really for the help, and it really justifies this team.
It's our
bonding.
pleasure. You don't worry
No,
about
that's
that.
okay. Just take care of yourself and just give us your assigned task. That's okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
वो दिन और उसके बाद के दिन मैं और पंकज कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. बट ठीक है, वी आर नॉट जस्ट कलीग्स, वी आर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. और फ्रेंड्स नहीं तो और कौन काम आएगा?
So true, Rahul. Even ECW does everything for women's safety, because I know when I used to drop Kiran first before me, even my drop was second last. So you can remember that.
आप पहले कहाँ ले रहे?
पहले आपका ड्रॉप है ना,
नहीं, काम का पहले किरण मैडम को ड्रॉप कर दो, फिर लास्ट टाइम मुझे ड्रॉप कर देना.
लंबा हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा टाइम देगा वो.
हाँ, दैट्स ओके. पर पहले उनको ड्रॉप कर दो, लास्ट में मुझे कर देना. नो इशू.
ठीक.
Are you sure, Rahul?
हाँ, दैट्स ओके. आप पहले ड्रॉप ले लो, लास्ट में मैं ड्रॉप ले लूँगा.
But आपका काफी लेट हो जाएगा.
हाँ, दैट्स ओके. नो इश्यूज.
Okay, thank you.
वेलकम.
हाँ यार, there is no company like ECW. As we all know, in this pandemic, every small and big company has did cost cutting, but ECW ने एक जन को भी घर पे नहीं बिठाया है अभी तक, और ना ही कॉस्ट कटिंग किया है. ECW बेस्ट है यार, लाइक सच में ग्रेट.
दिस इज सो गुड टू नो.
I still miss eClinical works and the work culture that we had there.
मैं तो बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ ECW को. मेजरली कैफेटेरिया एंड ऑल द चक्रा गाइज. और अपना पॉपुलर परमेश सबको याद होगा ना. आई थिंक ही नोज एवरीवन इन द वाईपी के ऑफिस.
गाइस, लेट्स डू वन थिंग. अपने तो किस्से ख़त्म नहीं होने वाले, तो अपन है ना इस वीकेंड पे मिलते हैं, उधर गप्पे लड़ाते हैं चाहिए तो. क्योंकि मुझे भी अभी सुबह जल्दी उठना है 6:30 बजे, क्योंकि बल्क में बहुत सारा काम आया. अगर मैं नहीं उठा ना तो सुधीर मेरे को भर देगा. हाँ ना, तो चलो मैं तो चला सोने. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, गुड नाइट.
Good night, everyone. See you.
बाय गाइस, मिलते हैं फिर.
You know what? I am feeling really nostalgic. Bye, guys.
ओके, बाय गाइज, सी यू ऑन संडे.
We would like to express our heartfelt appreciation to ECW for all the support rendered to us, especially during the last year. A special thank you to the administration and IT teams for ensuring our daily workflow during the work from home setup continues unhampered. We are blessed to be part of an organization that is so caring towards its employees and provides all the necessary comfort and resources needed for us to grow as individuals and professionally. This Foundation Day, we will hold on to and cherish the memories of the good times we've experienced at ECW and look forward to growing together as one family.
Wow, that was everything. Thank you, team, for that brilliantly coordinated skit. Good job done. Like I've already mentioned, even the pandemic and the geographical distance doesn't seem to knock down our spirits. Good job, team. Next up, we have our colleagues from all the three locations talk about their perspective, learning, and experience from our wonderful organization over years. Let's have a good watch.
I'm associated with eClinical Works for more than a decade now, and the reason being that I appreciate companies' priorities and culture. I think ECW understands what a women want. They understand that at work, one must be evaluated purely on the basis of performance, but at the same time, they care for the comfort of an expecting mother and security of a woman while traveling. And the thing that impresses me the most about the culture here is that when one department is in need, every other department, irrespective of the shift timing, is willing to stretch for their helping hand. And I really want to mention this, that the way company cared and supported and provided to its employees as well as the support staff during the pandemic, they showed that they do not only care about their work and customers, but they also care about their employees equally.
Hi, my name is Rishikesh Joshi. I'm from the SaaS team. 2012 was the year when I started working with eClinical Works. Within these 9 years, I've seen myself grow along with the company. My journey from being a team coordinator to a NOC engineer and to a project manager today is in itself an example of how eClinical Works helps you learn and grow at the same time. These years in eClinical Works have taught me to be humble, to have a broad mindset, and to be passionate about work. To sum it up, my journey with eClinical Works has been amazing, with many more years to come. With that said, to all the people out there, I hope you stay safe and stay healthy.
I'm proud to share that I had joined ECW more than 7 years back in the search of learning, growth, and professionalism. ECW offered me not just that, but much more. Although I had joined as a project manager, I was promoted as an IPM QC 3 years down the line. Along with learning different professional aspects, I was also able to complete my Six Sigma Black Belt certification, all being a part of ECW family. Speaking of family, last year it was proved that ECW can be an epitome of an ideal family. In the adverse situations like lockdown, thousands of systems were shipped to employee homes, avoiding pay cuts, introducing salary revisions and night shift allowance. It was made sure that we had all the resources and encouragement to do our work well. All these gestures make sure that ECW not only thrives in the hearts of clients and vendors, but also us employees.
Hello everyone, I'm Savik Basu, Operations Manager for the Strategic Account and Relations team in the 16 to 50 pod. Talking about my journey in eClinical Works, I joined as a fresher in 2015. It's been 6 years now, and yet each day brings me new opportunities, and the learning curve for me has not yet changed. As a fresher, we have many apprehensions about our first job, since you hear a lot about how the scary corporates can be, but to my pleasant surprise, the work culture in eClinical Works was very warm and welcoming. It doesn't matter whether you are a fresher or you have a lot of experience that you bring across. Your opinion is heard and your knowledge is actually taken into consideration. Through the years, I got the opportunity of applying for IJPs in job promotions and got promoted to a team leader and as now a manager. But throughout the designations, the thing which remained consistent was that in such a vast organization, all the teams still gel together very well. I can proudly say that because I have worked with every team in this organization, be it the warriors of technical support, the impeccable efficiency of install and PIPM or post-implementation team, the stealthy and worthy contribution of the QA team, as well as the brilliance of the product analyst and development team. The list goes on and on. Yet, for such a large variance of teams, they do come together as a single cross-functional unit for the singular end goal of client satisfaction. It would be wrong of me if I do not mention that eClinical Works does look after their own, be it from hearing the suggestions from the employees and implementing HR policy changes that are helpful, or to being considered for unexpected or unfortunate situations. eClinical Works has always helped their employees. To end this not so brief message, I would just like to say that eClinical Works continues to be a leader in its domain, and it will always be so. and it will be the same for anybody who stands by it. So thank you eClinicalWorks, and thank you everyone in the company.
Hello everyone, myself Purushottam, and I have been working with ECW for more than 6 years. Initially, I joined as a product analyst, and now leading an amazing team of PAs at Ahmedabad location. About my experience, I would like to begin with relocation. As we know, relocating to a different city is never an easy decision, but ECW proved it right. People from big cities as well as small villages of India are working together as a family over here. Talking about culture and facilities, our HR, ER and admin team have always made sure of a healthy work environment. I would also like to mention that support provided by management and IT during this lockdown situation is remarkable. If we talk about career growth, the efforts put together by our site head and VP engineering towards this factor are extraordinary. They are always open to adopt new methodologies, tools and technologies which are suitable for the wide range of products which we are offering. Certifications and trainings, yes, from best of the industry experts are organized more oftenly. This allows us to follow and implement the best practices of SDLC. Last but not the least, under the focused and visionary leadership of our C-level management, company has achieved greater heights in the US healthcare domain. It's a pleasure to be a part of this amazing journey with ECW. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Tanvi Trivedi and I have been a part of eClinicalWorks since last 10 years. Yes, 10 years, it has been a great journey with eClinicalWorks, personally as well as professionally. I have worked with big companies before, but eClinicalWorks, there is a big reason that I'm still here even after 10 years. Like I'm basically from Bombay, and moving to Ahmedabad was a big step in my life. But at eClinicalWorks, it has never felt like I am in a new city. It has always felt like home. The reason for that is the great culture which we have here, like the welcoming culture and great people which we have here. Like my colleagues and the friends which I have made here are more like family now. I have learned so much in this company. Like it has been a great journey from being an installer to a mentor and then a team lead, like in a short span of time. Because that is because of the great opportunities which we get here, like and the great very good trainings and very good grooming which we get here, and it has helped me a lot to grow in this company and to identify my potential which I have in me, which I never knew that I can achieve these things. But I just wanted to thank everyone for being a part of my life, like a big part of my life, and I'm just looking forward to spending more such years in this company. Thank you.
Hi everyone, to introduce you myself, my name is Anisha. I'm here to give you a small talk about my journey with eClinicalWorks so far. Ever since my career with ECW, I have started with the most amazing, the most energetic team that I've ever worked with. I'm so proud to be part of this team, Team CCM. With baby steps, I've completed 2 years and 11 months. I have not just grown as a professional but also as an individual. I have made most amazing friends. I've also met the most charismatic leaders. When these leaders address team huddles or team meetings, they spark back so much of energy and motivate you to do your best, and you just want to go back and accomplish your goals. My life with eClinicalWorks has been so good so far. It's filled with a lot of awards and recognitions. There's a lot of employee engagement programs that has been happening, and I just want to also throw some light about how this company has given a lot of focus on women empowerment. Just want to add that women have always been on the back end, they've always not come to the front end, but I'm so proud that eClinicalWorks has given women representation the most top priority, right from the entry level to the top management level, where we can see women even on the board of directors. So I just want to conclude saying that I have learned a lot. One of the best learning I have learned is to always be patient. Hard work always pays off. Don't rush. Eventually, everything will work out for the best of you. Life does not want us to think small, always think bigger, bolder, and life has its own way of giving us things back. So be patient, work hard as usual, and things will be back to us. With this, I want to conclude. Everyone stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Vivek, a business analyst from Halo Insights team. Through the 5 years journey in eClinical Works, I worked for 3 different teams where I learned time management, client handling, and teamwork, to name a few. Opportunities to discuss and implement new ideas for betterment of product and process have always enlightened the innovative side of me. Always received support from TL, colleagues, management, and the appreciation which I got from clients kept the positive spirit and helped me in improvise what I do. ECW has always recognized my potential and hard work through rewards and recognition. Also, when it comes to employee concerns, ECW puts its maximum effort to get it resolved as soon as possible in all possible ways. Though I miss working from office, it's been a different experience which I never thought would have happened. I really appreciate eClinical Works for taking such good care of its employees. Thank you, ECW, from a happy employee.
Hi all, I'm Sini from the technical documentation team. My journey with eClinical Works has been really fruitful so far, and the company has provided ample opportunities to grow and advance in my career. I'm thankful to ECW for believing in me and helping me achieve what I am today. I've been with the company for more than 5 years now, and I would say every year has been a remarkable one. I would also like to thank my teammates for making all my transitions a really smooth one. Cheers to the anniversary, and looking forward to a lot more years to come. Thank you.
A big shout out to all the volunteers for speaking their mind and adding a whole lot of vibe to this evening. With that, it's time to wrap up our 2021 Founders Day meet. I thank each one of you for your virtual presence and cooperation throughout the program. And once again, a big thank you to all the directors and participants for their fine contribution to this event. It is indeed a privilege to be a part of this dynamic work culture, and as employees, let's make the most out of it. I wish everyone good health, peace, and light. Please stay safe, get your vaccine shot on time, and continue the social distancing norms. Wish you all very well. Thank you for joining us today, and you all have a good evening. Bye.